In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit page titles in Squarespace. Page titles are an essential part of your website. They not only help visitors navigate your site more easily, but also play a key role in improving your SEO and the overall user experience. Whether you're rebranding, updating your content, or simply refining your site structure, knowing how to edit page titles effectively is a skill every Squarespace user should have. So let's get started. First, open a web browser and go to squarespace.com. This is the platform where you'll be editing your website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. Just a quick note. If you manage multiple websites on Squarespace, make sure to select the specific one you want to work on from your dashboard before moving forward. Once you're inside the dashboard of your chosen site, look for the Pages option in the sidebar and click on it. This is where all your site's navigation and landing pages are organized, so it's the place to go when you want to make changes to any of your pages. Now, hover your mouse over the page you want to edit. You'll notice a small gear icon appear to the right of the page name. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Doing this will open the Page Settings menu, which is where you can edit the page title. In the dialog window that appears, find the field labeled Page Title. This is where you can type in your new title. For example, you can change a title like Contact to something more inviting, such as Get in Touch, or adjust Blog to latest posts to better reflect your content. Once you've typed in your updated title, scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom of the window. This step ensures that your changes are applied and won't be lost. Next, check the updated page title by looking at the top of your browser window. This is where the new title should appear. Verifying this step is important because it confirms the changes were successfully applied. Remember, a clear and relevant page title improves both SEO and bookmarking for your visitors. Now, let's make sure the title also updates in your site's navigation menu. If the old title still appears there, simply go back to the Pages section in your dashboard. Locate the page in the navigation list and double-click its title. This will allow you to edit the name that appears in the menu. Type in your preferred title, the one you want visitors to see, and once you're done, press Enter to apply the change. This update should happen immediately. Finally, take a moment to preview your site or view it live to confirm that all the updates are reflected correctly. Check both the Browser tab title and the navigation menu to ensure everything is displaying as it should. If you spot anything that still needs tweaking, don't worry. You can repeat these steps to make additional adjustments. Squarespace allows unlimited edits to your page titles, so you have plenty of flexibility to get it just right. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully edited your page titles in Squarespace. This process not only helps you keep your site organized and user-friendly, but also boosts your SEO performance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.